Dogs are often attracted to squeaky noises for several reasons. 1. Instinctual behavior. Dogs have a natural prey drive that makes them responsive to high-pitched sounds. In the wild, small animals like rodents or birds often make similar noises, which can trigger a dog's hunting instincts. 2. Attention and interaction. Squeaky toys can capture a dog's attention and keep them engaged. The noise can make playtime more exciting and interactive, as the dog associates the sound with fun and positive experiences. 3. Feedback loop. The sound of the squeak provides immediate feedback to the dog, which can be satisfying and encourage them to continue playing. This feedback loop of biting and hearing the squeak can be highly stimulating for them. 4. Stimulation and enrichment. Dogs need mental and physical stimulation, and squeaky toys can provide a form of enrichment that helps prevent boredom. The noise can stimulate their minds and keep them entertained. 5. Positive reinforcement. Many dogs have learned that squeaky toys are associated with positive outcomes, such as playtime with their owners or receiving attention. This positive reinforcement makes them more likely to enjoy the sound. 6. Curiosity and exploration. Dogs are naturally curious animals. The unfamiliar and unusual sound of a squeak can pique their curiosity and encourage them to investigate further. Overall, squeaky noises appeal to a dog's natural instincts and provide a form of entertainment that keeps them mentally and physically engaged.